In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on Wise in just 5 minutes. This is particularly handy if you've moved to a new country or if you've recently updated your residence and need to reflect these changes in your Wise account. Let's dive straight into the process. First off, you'll want to open your internet browser. Any browser you usually use is completely fine, be it Chrome, Firefox, or another option. In the search bar, type Wise and hit Enter. This will generate a list of search results, from which you'll want to select the very first result, or ensure you click on the one with the URL wise.com. This will take you directly to Wise's official homepage. Once you've landed on their homepage, look for the Login option. This is usually located at the upper section of the page. Simply click on that. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login details, your email and password, as prompted. Remember, if you're having trouble recalling your password, Wise offers a quick route for password recovery. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be back on track in no time. Now that you are logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should spot either your profile picture or your initials. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option titled Personal Details. This section houses all of the key information related to your account. Within the Personal Details section, look for a part of your profile labeled Profile section that requires editing. This differs slightly from account to account, but focus on the area that pertains to your address or residence. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the field marked Address. Often, this is housed within a section labeled Physical Address. If you aim to make changes, locate an option that says Edit Details. This will allow you to modify the current information. As you make these changes, take note. Updating your residential information may require you to have some documents handy. Commonly asked for documents include a utility bill, a rental agreement, or a government-issued ID that displays your new address. This extra step helps ensure the accuracy and security of your account. Once you've input your new address, double-check your entries for accuracy before hitting the Save button. Always remember this crucial step, otherwise, your efforts might not reflect in your account. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to change your country on Wise. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide made the process seamless and stress-free. Feel free to share your experience or any questions in the comments below. Stay organized, and good luck with your Wise account management.